You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we are be looking as well as how to say more confusing names many get wrong, including from Chinese, Mandarin, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Jie, Jie is how it's said in Chinese. Jie. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, more videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations, and I think it can be both male or female. Jie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.